Today, my friend just did something! And this is her channel, remember.
Oh, yeah.
Her name is Yumi.
And we have my two friends, Sophia and Chrissy. So, I'm going to buy the new Summer Fantasy set. I'm literally so excited.
Yeah, someone just traded. Just today.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay.
And make sure to watch this video.
Yeah, and make sure to subscribe. I have really good friends, by the way. Guys, are you ready? Guys, are you ready for the reveal?
Yes! 10% ready for the reveal.
Okay, guys. I'm literally so... Okay, guys, are you ready for my diamonds being loose again?
How do you teleport?
Guys, are you ready? The Summer Fantasy set. Guys, are you ready?
Yes.
3. I'm buying it all. I'm buying it. Wait, it's so glitchy. Oh yes.
She's too excited.
Yeah. Now I'm going to buy this. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm literally buying the whole Summer Fantasy set. I'm so poor. Okay.
You actually got it.
Yeah, I'm buying it, guys.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm so excited because it's like
You played this for 10 years.
I played this for 4 years. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh my god, I'm under.
The new Summer Fantasy purse. Buy it.
You're buying everything in there?
Yeah.
Well, how much money you have?
Wait.
They've been so expensive.
Yeah, they're so expensive.
Anyone can get it.
Okay, I think I might have forgotten to buy the skirt. Oh yeah, I didn't buy the skirt yet. Oh my god! I bought it! Guys, I'm sorry for my long squeak noise. I'm just so happy that I bought it. Okay.
You've been waiting for this whole week.
Yeah, I've been waiting. I've been saving up for this. Okay, guys, are you ready?
Yes. What then?
Okay, guys, we got the new Summer Fantasy skirt.
Are you gonna put some?
Oh look, transform into evening. Wow!
It contains anything.
Yeah, that's so pretty. Okay, now to my Summer Fantasy
Are
items.
you gonna wear that forever?
Yeah, of course, it's so pretty.
Can you offer? Can I offer?
Well, you have to be level 75.
Yeah.
though.
Okay.
What's your offer? Oh my god!
Just kidding.
Okay.
I can't go there.
The sleeves. They're so pretty.
Come on.
The bag. Ooh. The ooh. Okay, and the last thing is the heels. It's so pretty. Look. It's so
Come on,
nice.
show everyone in that trading server.
No. Okay, but okay. Look, we can transform the feet to stilettos. I don't know how to say that. I'm sorry. To barefoot. Oh my god!
And to make sure to subscribe this channel for 100 for so much subscribers, and then we will give this to you if you.
Yeah, we might be doing a giveaway. So yeah.
For this, but if you put so much, you will have this.
Yeah, and I'm going to do the boy body. Let's see the boy body.
Always describe this.
Yeah, we have to see the boy body though. Okay, guys, I'm going to see. Guys, I'm going to see the body. Guys, I'm going to see the body. Okay, where is it? Okay, where's the boy body? Okay, it's right there. Okay, the boy body with the boy shoes. The skirt. I don't think we need the skirt.
Because boys don't wear.
Yeah. Oh yes, the shoes. Okay. This. Wow. This is turning very pretty.
This one.
And this Summer Fantasy sleeves. Summer Fantasy sleeves. Oh my gosh. Look at them! Look at the boy one. It's so cute also. Look. Okay, guys, I'm going to start making an outfit for it. I'm going to start making an outfit for it. Okay, I'm going to start making an outfit for it, guys, and I'm very poor, so yeah, no. I feel so bad because I'm wasting my diamonds. Okay, I'm going to make my outfit now. Body types, masculine.
Okay,
I mean feminine.
Be big.
Oh my gosh, I'm literally like so excited right now.
Be kind of big. Because you're too small. Be big, please.
Okay, so I'm going to use the
What is that?
gray, the black.
She's so excited.
Yeah, I'm very
All this
excited.
year she wanted this.
I wanted the new set for like about like it just came out in like a few days ago, Chrissy.
Be careful.
Oh my gosh.
Jumping when you're ready. Keep jumping, keep jumping.
Okay, this looks so cute.
Don't
Okay.
stop moving.
Hey.
Don't stop moving.
Evening,
Oh no, there's so many.
strong,
What?
full skirt,
That's
evening.
the owner. She can ban you.
Okay. I think I'm just going to do it to Sharon like that. Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to do the new summer fantasy. Oops. Okay. I'm going to do the new summer fantasy heels.
I want to put another game. Okay then. No, we're gonna do 2 more overalls.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's so pretty, right? Okay, walk packs. Okay. I'm going to do the ice skater because it's cute.
Want me to carry you?
Oh my gosh. Ah, so nice. Okay. Okay, can transform to that. That. I think this is cute. Or
I want to
barefoot.
see.
I think I like the seashell sandals.
Exact. I want to see one I can. Wait, where are you?
I want to wear
Go to house 15. Wait, it's your
the.
house. Your house.
Yep. Here is the corset.
Where are you so excited and happy, Ray?
Wait, I'm just going to make an outfit.
Can I carry you? See, I told you.
That's so cute. Okay. The sleeves.
Yeah, I told you it's a glitch.
Oh!
I probably have to save up again.
What happened? Oh, her boxes are. Her money has died.
Okay, I think I'm going to change the sandals. Yes, I like these. These are cute.
Oh god. Oh god.
Summer fantasy.
How did you do it? How did you back?
Oh god, no, 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 no.
How did you back here? How did you back? Can I ban you from that? I want to see.
Okay, guys, I'm just going to get my elegant purse.
Wait for the video.
Oh, there it is. Second parcel.
Wait, how do I open my house?
Guys, I am so happy that I got this. And thanks to my friends for helping me and supporting me. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, and yeah, because I'm literally so happy that I got this set.
know that. How do you open this door? everyone's allowed to
I'm
go.
just going to do. Actually, I think I know. How do you say
They're open. See?
it? Okay, so yeah, guys, I think this is the end of the video.
Okay, so
Unban me.
Wait, I'm just gonna make. Guys, I'm so happy, right?
how do you stop banding?
I'm going to have to zoom my wings also because I love them. Okay, this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. I hope you like it.
Bye, Royal High family.